Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Are you interested in selling your Excel templates on Etsy? In this video, we will guide you throughout the process of setting up your Etsy store and listing your Excel template to attract buyers. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, as you can see, yes, you can sell and start selling your your Excel sheets on Etsy. So as you can see right here, there is dozens and dozens of people that are selling this service. And basically this service can be some sheet that can help them in their studies, making analytics for their for example for a company, or making some database for anything that they want. Here, as you can see, you will find even the template of the basically the sheet and what it does, so you can figure out later on, if you are going to buy it, what kind of sheet is this for and what does it help me with. Now, as we know, Etsy will help you sell digital products. So first of all, we need to set up our Excel sheet. So let's start by making one very simply that we are going to start selling. So here I'm going to the desktop, and what I'm gonna do is to click and create new Excel sheets. So I'm going to click right here, and let's name it, for example, sheet for Etsy. Here I'm going to make a simple sheet that's gonna work very simply. It's gonna be working as a professor's thing, so it's gonna be like helping professors or basically teachers to know the presence of their students, and at the same time we can make another half that will help them to get the the mark of their exams, like the average mark of their exams or the total mark. So first of all, let's start by making the first table. So here I'm going to make like a presence table, and here we go. Let's make it, for example, in such color, and we can do something like that, merge it, and we're gonna make it very simple since this is not what this video is for. So I'm gonna make it right here, make it the color white, and let's make it something bigger. Let me just make it bigger, something like that, and there we go. Here we can give the table a couple of options, like here merge this like that, merge this like so, merge this like that, merge this like that, and merge the last one just like that. So here I'm gonna make them look as table, so we're gonna give them like edges, and here, for example, name, last name, and here I'm going to write present, and for example, if they participation, and here like if they've done their work, so homework. So for example, here we have this list that will include the name and the last name, present if they were present in that session, participation, and if there is any homework that they have done or not. Here, of course, they can put the names, last names, present, etc. But this is not what we care for, so we simply have to do something like that. Merge, we're gonna just make one row of this that will include the names and etc. But for the rest, you understand, guys, you should have your own Excel sheets already between your hands. So let's start by doing something like that. Here, for example, John, something like Suarez, I think, like last name. Here, let's make it bold so we can have differences. Here, let's make the colors some kind of thing like that. Here, present, it's gonna be something like yes or no, participation plus 1 point, for example, or for example, participation, let's say it's on 10, so we can say 7 on 10, and homework done. So this is for this first table, and yeah, they could literally copy this and literally just drag it all the way down, change the simple information that are in here. You could simply change them the way you want it to be, and that's pretty much the table that we have. So this is the table, and we can make another table that will have, for example, the marks and all the other thing. But presence, let me just name it presence. There we go. So this is the presence table, and now I want to start selling it for professors and teachers on Etsy. How can I do that? We simply have, first of all, to save it. Okay, so see it for Etsy, and now I'm going back to my browser, go to shop manager. Here of course you have to sign in, so let's sign in really quick. And basically within the sign in process, you will have to go through a lot of things, and here you need to stock your shop. So let me just add more listings, and let me just delete that. And once you actually open stock your shop for the first time, it's going to be something like that. So you can click right here to add the listing, make sure that it is a digital file, Excel sheet, templates. Here I made it myself. What is it? A finished product or supply or tool to make things. When was it made? Make to order. We can made it recently. Then save and continue. So here you can give it a title, an Excel, or what should I name it? I don't know. So let's name it first an Excel sheet that helps teachers to track the activity of their students. This one, I think, something like that. We can make it look better if you want to. Okay, suggestions will appear. Accepts. Okay, an Excel sheet that helps teachers track the activity of the students. Here we have to add a photo for this product, so we can go ahead and open it. Let's do this. We can take a screenshot of it, save it, and then upload it to the desktop. Go back right here, add this picture, and we can now have it as a thumbnail. And here we can add the file. Let's choose it to be this one. Add a description for it, give it a price. You can check the price depending on the market. Give it quantity, it is a limited. And basically this is not really something that you must touch because it is an Excel sheet, so it doesn't have anything to do with it. And finally, once you feel like you're done, click on here, save and continue, and you will be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. Nothing is much complicated about that besides the making of the Excel sheet itself. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. See you guys in the next tutorial.